Seeing the Explorer..exe Class Not Registered error on Windows 11? This issue can break the Start menu, taskbar, and File Explorer. Stay tuned as we explain the cause and how to fix it. Right-click the Windows button and select Task Manager. Find iCloud, right-click it, and select End Task. Go to the Startup Apps tab, locate iCloud, and disable it. Restart your PC and check if the problem persists. Press Windows + S, type CMD, and run as administrator. Type the following command and press Enter. regisvr32 ExplorerFrame.dll. Wait for the process to complete, then restart your PC. Press Windows + I to open Settings. Click Apps Default Apps. Scroll down and click Reset All Default Apps. Restart your PC and check if the issue is resolved. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.